Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day so far. So I got this truck here. This is the one that I bought. It's a 03 2500 HD with an 8.1 gas motor. I bought it missing the transmission. I mean, it was literally missing. And what happened was it went to another shop, a backwoods, real backwoods shop. And the guy pulled the tranny out because the tranny blew, said he could get a replacement. When he got wasn't for a Duramax. Duramax and a gas are completely different. So one thing led to another. He wound up losing the transmission. How do you lose a transmission? Lost all the hardware, lost everything to it. I bought the truck dirt cheap. So anyway, I knew the truck beforehand too. And I had driven it beforehand probably a year ago. And the truck ran great. It's got 300,000 miles on it. But it runs, like I said, fantastic. Still does. Here's the truck. Right here. It's in pretty good shape. You know, it's not rotted. It's got a couple little dings and dents on it. And here it is, that big block 8.1 liter. It runs really good. And I happen to notice this. Whatever this is, going to the positive battery terminal. Nice tape-up job there. So we come around to the inside. You can see the inside. It's not bad. It needs some work. I'm going to be working on it, get it straightened out, so this way I could sell it. I'm going to put a headliner in it. I got to fix a few things. But yeah, you come to the back here, and here's that wire. It was under the seat. Let's focus in on this. Ready? So, yeah. The guy was driving around like that. Potential fire. Potential battery explosion. Why people do stuff like that? If you're going to take the amp out, unhook the cable. So, anyway, safety first. That's about it. If you get anything out of my videos, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. That's about it. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.